Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove McAfee from your Windows 11 computer. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has fully loaded up. Wait for everything to finish booting and for your desktop to appear before proceeding with the uninstallation process. This ensures that all system files are properly loaded and prevents any potential conflicts during removal. Once your PC is ready, direct your attention to the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Start menu icon to open it. In the search bar that appears, type in Control Panel and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Control Panel, which is where you'll access all the main settings and programs on your computer. After the Control Panel window opens, look for the Programs section. You'll see an option labeled Uninstall a Program underneath it. Click on this option to proceed. This will take you to a comprehensive list displaying all the software applications currently installed on your Windows 11 PC. The list might take a moment to fully populate if you have many programs installed, so give it a few seconds to load completely. Now scroll through the list of programs and locate the McAfee application. You can also use the search function at the top right of the window if you have many programs and want to find it faster. Once you've found McAfee in the list, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with the option to uninstall. Click on Uninstall and the removal process will begin. You might see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove McAfee from your system. Confirm your choice by clicking Yes, and Windows will proceed to uninstall the program. The uninstallation process may take a minute or two to complete depending on your system's performance. Once it finishes, McAfee will be completely removed from your Windows 11 computer, freeing up storage space and removing any background processes associated with the antivirus software. And that's it, you've successfully uninstalled McAfee from your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.